If you're thinking about buying Adobe Experience Manager, there are 12 key things you need to know first. In this video, we'll break it all down for you, comparing it to other landing page tools, so you can make a more informed decision before committing. Let's get into it. First, Adobe Experience Manager, or AM, is a robust enterprise-level CMS that goes beyond just landing pages. Unlike simpler tools like Wix or Squarespace, AM is designed for large-scale websites with complex needs. But is it right for you? Let's see. Next thing, AM offers strong content management capabilities. It gives you full control over your website content, making it easy to update and organize. However, compared to more user-friendly platforms like WordPress, AM can feel overwhelming if you don't have a dedicated team managing it. The third thing to consider is its customization flexibility. With AM, you can build highly customized landing pages tailored to your brand's exact needs. But unlike simpler solutions like lead pages or Unbounce, this customization often requires advanced technical skills, which means extra resources for setup. The fourth thing, AM integrates seamlessly with other Adobe products like Adobe Analytics, Adobe Target, and Adobe Campaign. This integration can be a game changer for businesses already using Adobe's ecosystem, but for those not using these tools, the added complexity may not be worth it. The fifth thing to keep in mind is that AM is designed for scalability. As your business grows, AM can handle the increasing demands of large websites and high traffic. This is a big advantage over other tools like HubSpot or InStagepage, which may struggle with scaling to the same degree. The sixth thing, pricing. AM is a premium platform with a hefty price tag, and it's not the most affordable option out there. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly solution, there are plenty of alternatives like Wix or WordPress that can get the job done at a fraction of the cost. The seventh thing is the steep learning curve. While AM is powerful, it's not particularly intuitive. You'll need a skilled team to implement and manage the platform effectively. In comparison, tools like Webflow and Elementor are easier to pick up for individuals without extensive technical backgrounds. Next thing, support. Adobe offers strong customer support, but it can be more difficult to reach the right resources quickly. With more accessible platforms like Unbounce, you may find customer support to be more responsive and immediate. The ninth thing, performance. AM provides excellent performance and speed, but this is heavily dependent on how well the platform is set up. Proper configuration is crucial, and any mishaps can lead to slow load times or potential issues on your landing pages. The 10th thing to consider is security. AM is built with enterprise-level security features, making it a strong choice for businesses that handle sensitive data. Compared to other tools like Wix, which have a more general security approach, AM provides much more robust protections. The 11th thing is content targeting. With AM, you can target specific audiences based on demographics, behavior, and other criteria. It's a powerful feature, but it requires expertise to set up effectively. If you're looking for something simpler, competitors like ConvertFlow may be easier to manage for audience segmentation. And finally, AM is great for businesses that need advanced features, but it may be overkill for smaller companies. If you're a small business or startup, you might be better off with a simpler, more affordable option. So, is Adobe Experience Manager worth it? For large enterprises with complex needs and a team of developers, it can be a powerful solution. But if you're looking for something more user-friendly and budget-conscious, you might want to explore other options. If you want a better solution that you can try for free, check out our recommended platform that could fit your needs perfectly.